everybody, so welcome back to my channel. So today I am doing I'm pretty sure this is going to be my last Mamabox unboxing, last or second last. I'm not sure yet. I think this may be the last one, but I can't remember if there's one more after this or not. But yeah, so this one's for month 9. It is weeks 36 to 42. I had my baby 2 weeks ago, which is very exciting. She's doing very well. So for those of you who don't know, Mamabox is a subscription for mums to be. They even have a dads to be box. I'll link the website and all the information about that in the description box. So let's just jump straight into it. So first things first, they always do this little card. A third trimester, month 9. Baby is around 50 centimeters long and weighs around 3.2 kilos. Final stretch, get ready to meet your baby mama. Your baby is changing position to prepare for labor and delivery. The baby drops down in your pelvis and usually his or her head is facing down towards the birth canal. And then it's got a did you know? Be glad you're not an elephant. They're pregnant for a total of 22 months. Yeah, no, hell no. I'm pretty sure they had that one on the last month. I feel they've had that little fact before. So let's jump straight into the box. All right, first things first, we have the organic Tom Yum, not Tom Yum, sorry, what am I doing? Tom Organic. I don't know why I said Tom Yum, that's a bit weird. Tom Organic maternity pads. They always come in handy. These are little, I'm pretty sure these are milestone cards. Yeah, milestone cards, natural collection. That is super cute. Very cute indeed. We have a lollipop. This one is from the Golden Whisk. They are an amazing confectionery shop, and they are just, everything I've had from them has just tasted divine. And this is a champagne and strawberries lollipop, which is really cute. This looks good actually. This is the chocolate mug cake. This is so for breastfeeding and pumping mums, chocolate mug cake with brewer's yeast. So it helps to boost milk supply. Yeah, really keen to try this out. That looks actually really good. So it says, empty sachet into your favorite mug, add 60 ml of milk or milk alternative, mix well, cook in a microwave on high for 90 seconds. At the Milk Pantry, our main focus is sourcing wholesome ingredients to provide nourishment for breastfeeding mums. Our products are designed to be in your pantry, ready for when you need them without the added I really can't talk today. I don't know what's wrong with me. Preservatives and additives. We recommend 1 to 2 serves a day we recommend 1 to 2 serves per day, as individual results may vary. For increased results, our cookies may be used in conjunction with our other products. So I have this one, and then I also have their brownie mix. And then I also have some lactation cookies as well. Next thing is a little thing from Splosh. Like a little stone thing. Dropping it. It looks like a little stone, and it's just got a tree on it. And then on the back it says family. And then it comes in this little box that says family forever. That's really cute. I like that. That's really cute. And then lastly, we have reusable nursing pads. I have got, so this pair obviously, and then I've also got some more reusable nursing pads in my bathroom cupboard as well, which I will be using very shortly, because I did have some disposable ones, but I'm trying to get through those, and then I'll start using these. They're more economical, they're more environmentally friendly It just seems like a better way to go is to use the reusable ones as opposed to using the disposable ones. So yeah, that is that. And that is my Mamabox unboxing. All the information will be linked in the description box. I hope you enjoyed my Mamabox video, and I will see you next time. Bye.